Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about funding for entrepreneurship in electrical engineering. Yeah, as you know, my name is Marina Artiasa. Yeah, I am from the electrical engineering University of Nusa Putra or Nusa Putra University in Sukabumi, West Java. Okay, let's go. What is funding? Yeah, introduction. Yeah, electrical engineering is a highly innovative field. Yeah, and has a great potential to produce technological products or services that can be applied in various industries such as energy, yeah, or renewable energy like that, or electric car, yeah, many more, yeah, automation, telecommunications, yeah, IoT or Internet of Things, robotics, and others. However, to realize these ideas into a successful business, proper funding is needed. In the context of electrical engineering entrepreneurship, funding sources not only include traditional capital but also consider specific needs such as prototype development, research, testing, and technology commercialization. Yeah. Now, and then learning objectives. After studying this material, participants are expected to be able to understand the basic concept of business financing in the context of electrical engineering, and then identify relevant funding sources for technology project, and then access the advantages and disadvantages of each funding source for an electrical engineering startup, and then selecting the funding source that best suits your electrical engineering business needs. And then types of business funding for electrical engineering entrepreneurship. Type of business, like first, internal funding. Internal funding is often the first step for electrical engineers who want to develop their ideas without relying on external parties. Yeah, equity funding funds from personal savings or proceeds from the sale of personal assets, suitable for early stages of idea developments, such as prototyping or testing. Pros: no obligation to pay interest or debt. Disadvantages: the financial risk is entirely boom, uh, borne by the owner. Yeah, so it is all depends of the owner. Yeah, so there is no other that help you. Yeah, and then retained earnings, profit generated from previous projects are used to fund new projects. Yeah, pros: no additional costs such as interest or dividends. Disadvantages: usually limited to established businesses. Technology asset sales, sale of the old hardware, software, or technology that is no longer used. Pros: quickly generate cash to support the development of new technologies. Disadvantages: can reduce or operational capacity if the asset is critical. Yeah. And then external funding. External funding is essential for electrical engineering projects that require large investment, such as the development of IoT products, automation system, or renewable energy solutions. And then debt financing. Loans from banks or other financial institutions. Example: People's Business Credit or CUR, microloans, bonds. Pros: does not reduce business ownership. Disadvantages: must pay interest and installment periodically. And then equity or equity financing. Funds obtained by selling part of the business ownership to investors. Primary resources for electrical engineering: angel investor, individuals interested in new technology. Venture capital or VC focuses on technology startup with high growth potential. And then corporate venture capital or CVC investment from large companies looking to support technological innovation. Pros: investors often bring network and technical expertise. Disadvantages: owner loses some control over the business. And then research and development grants or R&D grants, grants from the governments or international organization to support research and technology development. Example: BPPT or Agency for the Assessment and Application of Technology, supporting technological innovation in Indonesia. NSF, National Science Foundation, grants for technology research in the United States. And then Horizon Europe, the European Union's grant program for technological innovation. And then pros: no refund obligation. Cons: the application process is often complicated and competitive. So it is not easy, because there is a lot of people who want to have that grants also, And then crowdfunding, fundraising from many people through online platforms. Popular platform for electrical engineering: Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Kitabisa for Indonesian market. Successful examples: Pebble Watch or smartwatch, and Oculus Rift like VR headset, that virtual reality. Pros: can increase product exposure and market validation. Disadvantages: not all projects succeed in reaching their funding targets. And then peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer lending is like the one who lend and then the one who give the lending, who have money don't meet, so it's it's from online, loans from individual or groups through digital platforms. Pros: fast and flexible process. Disadvantages: interest can be higher than banks, because they don't meet and there is no jaminan, What is jaminan is English. It means that you don't have to risk something to have money from the other, At strategic investor, investors who not only provide funds but also bring added value such as networks or technical expertise. Example: a large tech company investing in IoT or AI startup. Industrial partnership, collaboration with large companies to develop technology solutions. Pros: access to technical and market resources. Disadvantages: may require sharing of profit or intellectual rights. And then business incubators and accelerators, a program designed to support technology startups by providing funding, mentoring, and access to networks. Example: Indigo Incubator Telkom Indonesia focuses on digital technology startups. And then Plug and Play Tech Center, global incubator for tech startups. Pros: guest holistic support for business and development. Disadvantages: usually requires share ownership. And then factors to consider in selecting a funding source. Amount of funds required. Electrical engineering projects often require large investment for prototype development and testing. Funding fees: consider interest, administration fees, or percentage of ownership that must be relinquished. And then risk: evaluate the financial and operational risk associated with each funding source. And then time period: Is the funding short-term prototype development or long-term commercialization? Business control. If using equity, how much control are you willing to give up? Reputation and trust. Some source of funding, such as strategic investor, can bring a positive reputation to a business. And then we now talk about case study. Case study, successful electrical engineering startup. We know about Tesla, the electrical car. Elon Musk uses a combination of equity, venture capital, and industry partnership to develop electric vehicle technology. Because at that time, first time, nobody make a business in electric car. Tesla is the first one that make the electric car. So it must be very expensive at that time, because you don't know about battery for electrical, you don't know about the control, about the sensor, and everything in electric car. So at that time it needs a lot of sacrifice. And then Gojek, Gojek, the motorcycle and the car, that the first Indonesia business, like if you want to go somewhere and then you don't have a car or motorcycle, or you go to another place, you can order from your handphone application. You can use Gojek or Grab or now Maxim and many more. First time initially funded by local angel investors. It later grew with support from global venture capital. So that's how they grow. And then conclusion. Funding is key to success in electrical engineering entrepreneurship. By understanding the various funding sources available, electrical engineers can choose the option that best suits their business needs. It is important to consider factors such as the amount of funding, cost, risk, and business control before making a decision. Discussion and question. How to get a research grant for an electrical engineering project? And then what are the main challenges in attracting investors for tech startups? And how can business incubators help in the development of electrical engineering products? Now, this is the reference. Book The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. Article Funding Option for Tech Startups from TechCrunch. And crowdfunding platform like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Kitabisa. And then grant organization BPPT, NSF, and Horizon Europe. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you get more advantage from this presentation, and don't forget to absent to make a higher grade. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.